Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and borrow money from Halifax. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into our video. So for that matter, all you have to do is first of all access your Halifax on your browser. So access your browser and access halifax.com on top and get into the official website. So right over here, all you have to do is once you have accessed it, make sure to sign in right over there. Once you have done so, you can tap on this option of menu on top and you will be able to find this option of borrowing just bottom. All you have to do is tap on it. So right now you can see we do have plenty of categories available, which are credit cards on top, loans, car finance, features and support, etc. If you have any of the category that you fit into for personally for you to borrow money, you can loan it, you can do that. But I will assume if you simply want to take a loan for a certain purpose, you can tap on its loans and it will simply show you the personal loan section. You can say you can apply for a loan if you're aged 18, you're in paid employment, you are not a full-time student, etc. These are the categories that you have to fill in for you have to get a loan, you can borrow money from Halifax and etc. Simply scroll down, you will be able to see start your code. So simply all you have to do is, do you have account with Halifax? You have to type in yes, and then you can see find out if you're likely to be approved, get your personalized code, have an answer in a minute. So all you have to do is simply tap on the sign in to get your code, sign in and see if you will be approved for that particular loan of yours or not. Otherwise, I will simply personally suggest you to go through all of these articles, read through correctly when you get your document or the reason and the purpose for what you're taking loan. Simply read it carefully, check out the fees and how much do you have to be charged for and how long you have, etc. Once you have confirmed, all you have to do is simply choose that particular loan plan. And so you can see apply for a holiday particular loan. I have a whole Halifax bank account. I don't have a Halifax bank account. If you do not, of course you have to create one. Of course, if you do, simply have to tap on that and follow the prompts given by itself and you are done. So that is a simple process for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.